You may have not even realized that Etsy has an affiliate program. This gives you a new opportunity to make an extra few $100s a week in an unsaturated space with potentially limitless earning potential. This new program is Etsy's way of introducing an affiliate program similar to Amazon affiliates. It has been around since last year, but it has not been so popular amongst the passive income community. Now you might be wondering how you can join, how can you actually earn money, how much commission will you actually get, or even what an affiliate program is. So let me break it down. Firstly, an affiliate program is the ability for you to earn a commission from a purchase made by someone you promoted a product to. For example, you make a review video on a product and post it on social media. Once people click through your affiliate link and purchase the product, you will earn a small commission. Okay, let's get into the details of the program. At this point in time, as an Etsy affiliate, if you are based in the US, you can receive 4% commission, and if you are based outside of the US, you can receive 5% commission. As standard, for you to receive the commission, the purchase must be from a 30-day cookie window and the last click before purchase. This means if someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase within 30 days from that click, you will receive a commission. And this does not have to be the product you promoted. It can be any purchase made in those 30 days. However, if the person clicks another ad or referral link from someone else, you will no longer receive that commission. This is pretty standard for an e-commerce marketplace affiliate program. To join this affiliate program, you have to apply and get approved, just like Amazon affiliate program. Click the link in my description to take you to the application process. Right now, you might be thinking, is it worth joining? I definitely think it is. Why? Because this program is new. You have the advantage of promoting very unique products from the Etsy marketplace. Products you promote won't be saturated like others that do Amazon affiliate marketing. You can become a leader in the space if you commit to it now. It takes little effort to create content, which I will show you soon. This affiliate program is so new, it is not a saturated business idea. Additionally, you'll be supporting small business owners. Now it is important to know how to actually generate traffic to your affiliate links after being accepted into the program. Once you are in the program, I first recommend you look around your house to see if you have any products ordered from Etsy or check your Etsy account. If you find any, start making content on them right away. Start off by making TikTok content, then publish those videos to YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, and Instagram, making sure to leave your affiliate link everywhere possible. Now, if you don't have any products, the main method to generating affiliate commissions I recommend is through creating Pinterest content. This allows you to simply make content using product images from the product you are interested in promoting. Now scrolling through this Etsy search, you can see this pin here. If you click on the pin and go to the link, you can see the referral cookie in the URL. This is what allows her to get a commission if someone purchases it. Now when you share an Etsy URL in an Etsy pin, Etsy automatically claims it. But if you look into the information, you can see that it's actually created by George. Now if we click here, we can see this user only has 26 followers and it's under her collection called units. And you can see the pin here. So if we go back to the Etsy store, we can see that the owner is someone else. So it's likely that the George user is a part of the Etsy affiliate team. This shows that with very little followers, you can get into the affiliate team and start promoting. If you haven't already, please like the video and definitely consider subscribing because you don't want to miss out on the content I release. Before heading to Canva to create some pins, we will first go to Pinterest and analyze some trends. You can find this page by having a business Pinterest account. Go to Analytics and then Trends. Here you'll find trending topics with yearly changes, monthly changes, and weekly changes. I can see the home outdoor has a yearly change of 10,000% with a weekly change of 100 and monthly change of 300. I'm going to use this as the topic to research products on Etsy that I can promote on Pinterest. Once you're in Etsy, simply search home outdoor. Go ahead and filter by star seller. This will make sure you're getting the most trusted sellers. Scroll through and see what you would like to promote on Pinterest. Make sure they got a lot of reviews so you know the seller is trusted and the items are selling. This item looks interesting for $96. This is definitely something Pinterest would be interested in. Scrolling through another welcome sign. This looks interesting. It's got 20 in basket, so you know that's selling with 110 reviews. Let's find one more product. This one, a personalized pillow. Another bestseller with 98 reviews. So yeah, those will do for now. Let's now go to Canva and make content for these. In Canva, search up Pinterest pin and you'll get the correct size. Pinterest pins have a bunch of different sizes, so just play around with it and see what sizes work for you. I'm just going to make a pin using the standard format. If you see the search results here, you can see that there's a lot of plain images that don't really give any information on what the pin is about. It just seems like it's for aesthetic reasons. So what we want to do is add a little text to our pins to grab the viewer's attention and quickly explain to them what the pin is about. So let's put this line at the top. And let's make it a color that matches the photo. And now we'll add some text explaining the pin. So cute front porch decor. And we want the text to have a font that matches the theme of Pinterest. So a font like this will do. And there you go. You made your first pin. Let's go ahead and make another one. Now you can play around with the formatting of the text to see what works for you and make it stand out. Now I'm on my Canva Premium account, and one of the benefits is that, let's say you made a bunch of pins in an hour, you can go ahead and schedule these to Pinterest right from Canva. So just go share, schedule, click the date and the time, then enter your title, cute front porch, decor, ideas. This is just a basic title and description, just for the sake of time. And then enter your Etsy referral link here and click schedule. That's all I got time for today. If this video gets a lot of likes, I will consider creating a full Etsy and Pinterest affiliate marketing tutorial that will go into more detail and give you more tips.